Day 1. You wake up. You decide today is the day. No more excuses. No more, I'll start Monday. You drop to the floor and attempt a push-up. Your arms shake. Your core gives up. You collapse. That's fine. Everyone starts somewhere. You manage a few ugly reps, some half squats, and one pull-up attempt that's more of a hang than anything else. You go to bed feeling proud, slightly embarrassed, but proud. Day 2. You wake up and your body has filed a formal complaint. Your chest hurts. Your arms hurt. Muscles you didn't even know existed are now making themselves very known. You wonder if one day of calisthenics permanently damaged you. It didn't. This is just your body waking up. You train anyway, slower, uglier, but you train. By day 3 and 4, something shifts. The soreness is still there, but it's different. Less, am I dying? And more, okay, I feel this. Your push-ups start looking like actual push-ups. Your squat goes a little deeper, small wins, but they're yours. End of week 1. You're not strong yet. You're not transformed yet, but you showed up every single day. That alone puts you ahead of most people who said they'd try this. Week 2. This is where it gets interesting. Your body stops fighting you. The first few reps don't feel like war anymore. You start hitting numbers you couldn't even imagine on day 1. 10 clean push-ups, then 15. Your pull-up goes from a painful hang to an actual rep. 1 rep, but 1 real rep. Your breathing improves. You're not gasping after every set. You start to feel something you didn't expect. Control. Your body is learning the movements. The push-up feels smoother. The squat feels natural. You're not just surviving the workout. You're starting to own it. And then something weird happens around day 10. You start looking forward to it, not because it's easy, it's still hard, but because you know you can do it now. Week 3. This is where your body starts to change. Not dramatically, not overnight. But you look in the mirror and something is different. Your arms look slightly more defined. Your posture is better, taller, more upright. Your core is tighter. You're not where you want to be yet, but you're not where you started either. Your numbers keep climbing. 20 push-ups, then 25. You do 3 pull-ups in a row, and it doesn't feel like a miracle anymore. It feels earned, because it is. Here's what nobody tells you about week 3. The physical changes are real, but the mental shift is bigger. You stop waiting to feel motivated. You just go. Rain or shine, tired or not. The workout happens because you've built something more valuable than muscle. You've built the habit. Day 30. You drop to the floor and knock out 30 clean push-ups without stopping. A month ago, you couldn't do 5. You hit the bar and pull yourself up. Not once, not twice, but 5 times. Controlled, strong, yours. Your body is leaner. Your posture is different. People around you notice before you do, but here's the real result after 30 days. It's not the push-ups. It's not the pull-ups. It's the fact that you no longer need to convince yourself to train. It's just what you do now. That's the transformation most people don't talk about. 30 days of calisthenics won't give you a movie body, but it will give you something better. Proof. Proof that you can do hard things. Proof that your body responds when you show up consistently. Proof that you don't need a gym, equipment, or a perfect schedule. Just you, the floor, and the decision to start. So tell me, are you on day 1? Or are you still waiting? Drop it in the comments and subscribe for more.